Hi,
Mm.
you?
teacher. Good, and you?
I'm good. Are you
Teacher,
ready?
yes.
Yes.
Hoy no estoy en mi casa. Sí tengo el libro, pero no va a poder prender la cámara.
Okay. I get it.
Yes.
Don't worry.
Teacher,
Hello. Hi, Evelyn, right?
yes,
How are you? How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Thank you. Are you ready?
Yes,
Excellent. Alina, welcome. How are you, Alina?
hi, teacher. Good, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Good, good, good. We have Angie. Hello, Angie. How are you?
Hello, good afternoon. I'm good, and you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. Jesus, how are you, mister?
Hi, teacher.
Hi, Emiliano.
How are you today?
I'm good, mister, and you?
Happy, teacher.
Excellent. Mr. Jesus, what's up?
Hello, teacher.
Doing good?
Yes.
Excellent. Paul, welcome. How are you, mister?
Hello.
Doing good?
Yes.
Excellent. Camila, welcome. How are you, Camila?
Hello, teacher. Good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Very, very good. And Abril, welcome to the class. How are you today?
I am good, teacher.
Ready for today?
Yes.
Let's do it. Can I see your cameras then? Por favor, señores, por favor. Thank you, Alina. Thank you, Paul. Thank you,
Good
Evelyn.
afternoon.
What's up, Kevin? How are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, mister. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right. Very nice, Jesus. I can see your face, Jesus. That's nice. Thank you, Camila. No camera, Kevin? Emiliano, no
La tengo
camera.
prendida, teacher.
Oh,
¿No
there
se
you
ve?
are. Yes, I gotcha. Okay, let's continue, guys. Today is going to be easy, okay? So relax. Yesterday, you remember the class from yesterday? What was the class from yesterday?
Questions in past.
Questions in past. Thank you, mister. Questions in past, right? Very good. So we remember that we have the two types of questions, right? The yes, no. We practiced this yesterday, all right? Like, for example, was the meeting at 9 a.m.? And then, because you have was, at the beginning, right? You're going to answer yes, it was, or negative, no, it wasn't. Sorry. There you go. That will be the yes, no questions, right? You answer with yes, or you answer with no. And then we have the WH questions. And these ones, you are going to answer with information. Example, where were you yesterday? That will be the example. And the answer is going to be information referring to a place, right? I was in the supermarket. It's clear? Yes, yes, yes. No questions, Abril?
No.
No questions. Angie, questions in this moment?
No, teacher.
No questions. Everything good, Paulette? Yes, right?
Yes.
Perfect. So today we are going to practice more WH questions, okay? More. So let's go with the info. Mr. Paul, you have camera number 1. Can you help me to read, Paul, the green box?
Number 1. Was and were are words that are past tense form of the verb to be and are used to refer to singular and plural subjects respectively. Here are some examples of how to form WH question using was and were.
Thank you, Mr. Paul. No tenía cámara en todo este tiempo. ¿No? Guys, no me habían dicho. I have a problem with my camera. Hello. ¿Sí se ve? Yes? Ah, okay. All right, Paul, thank you very much. Okay, so we have, for example, for the singular subjects, Alina, can you please help me to read? Singular subjects.
Yes. For singular subjects using was, where was he? What was she doing? Where was the concert?
Excellent, okay. Miss Camila, for plurals, please.
Yes. Where were they? What were the children playing with? When were the books delivered?
Very nice. So in this case, if you pay attention, we are using where because we have they, which is plural. We are using where because the children is plural, and where because the books are plural. Okay, and here is your formula. This is the formula. The WH question word, like what, where, you know? What, where, and all the WH words that we have. Yes, Jesus.
Teacher,
Yes.
esta página ya la hicimos.
No, Jesús, no me digas eso. Ayer hablamos de esto. Jesús.
Yes, sí la hicimos.
¿Este también?
Yes.
My God. Voy a renunciar. ¿Qué material nos falta? Este.
Ese no lo hicimos.
No, teacher.
Pero sí lo tienen en el libro.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Seguros. Mañana me van a decir teacher. A ver. Qué desastre, Mr. Rayner. Oh my God. Sí. A ver, este ya. ¿Este lo hicimos? Nunca. ¿Verdad que no?
No.
Este no. Ok. A ver, este sí. Sí, no. ¿Y este?
No.
Tampoco. Ok. ¿Y este? Sí. Dice que es página 5.
Sí, ese ya está hecho.
Este ya. Ok. Este también, yo me acuerdo. Sí. Right? Yes. Speaking. Sí, ¿verdad? De los inventos.
Yes.
Sí, ok. ¿Este lo hicimos? Sí, una foto que me enviaron, ¿verdad?
Yes.
Yes, ok. Questions with was and where, pues sí, este también entonces. Este es lo que hicimos ayer, ¿correcto? ¿Qué es este? I guess, I don't know. I'm confused. Ok. Y este dice Jesús que ya lo hicimos. Ya hicimos the country fair.
Yes.
Ya lo hicimos, seguros. Ok. Y aquí es donde vamos. Yes. Oh my gosh, we have a problemo. A problemo. Ok. Entonces, discúlpenme ustedes. Vamos a empezar de nuevo. Welcome to the class, guys. Today, we are going to talk about the 44 English sounds. Miren qué interesante esto. Voy a cambiar un poquito español para que me puedan entender de qué va este tema. ¿Sale? Aquí vamos. Miren, hay algo aquí que dice, ready for the real action. Dice, en realidad estamos listos para la acción. ¿Por qué? Porque vamos a trabajar de ahora en adelante con mucha pronunciación. ¿Ok? Vamos a estar trabajando con pronunciación. Y para eso hay que entender, por ejemplo, tenemos idiomas. Tenemos idiomas, por ejemplo, aquí vamos a seleccionar el English, podemos tener Japanese, right? We can have Spanish, right? Entonces, cada uno de estos idiomas va a tener un número de letras. Estamos hablando de letras. Por ejemplo, en inglés tenemos 26 letras, en español tenemos 29 letras, en japonés no sé, ¿alguno de ustedes sabe? Camila, you speak Japanese.
No.
Ok. No sé cuántas letras tenga el japonés, pero una cosa va a ser las letras que tiene el idioma y otra cosa va a ser los sonidos que tiene el idioma. ¿Ok? En español es muy fácil. Porque en español tenemos 29 letras y tenemos 29 sonidos. ¿Sí? Por ejemplo, la A es la A, la E es la E. Y así suenan. Por ejemplo, la A, ¿cómo suena? A. La P, ¿cómo sonaría? ¿Me explico? Esos son los sonidos. Segundo. All right. Pero en inglés, ese es el problema del inglés. Tenemos 26 letras, pero tenemos 44 sonidos. ¿Ok? Y eso es lo que hoy vamos a practicar. Los 44 sonidos que existen en el inglés. Okie dokie. So, look at this information. Number 1, can you help me, Paulette, to read number 1?
Yes. The alphabet was 26 letters only, but we use 44 sounds that we can pronounce.
Exactly. 26 letters, but 44 sounds. We understand that, right? Yes. Now, point number 2, can you help me, Jesus? Point number 2.
The alphabet has 27 letters only, but we have 44 sounds that we can pronounce.
Number 2, Jesus.
The 44 sounds are
Divided.
divided into 2 categories, consonants and vowels. 24 sounds are consonant sounds and 20 vowel sounds.
Thank you very much. So this is what we're gonna do. You know, when we talk about the 44 sounds, all right, we will divide it like this, like consonants. Consonants, we have 24 sounds for consonants. 24 sounds. And then for vowels, it's another one. There you go. We're gonna have 20 sounds. 20 sounds for vowels. Okie dokie. All right, all right, all right. Let's continue. Number 3, can you help me, Abril, please?
Imagine that you could read any word in any language. It could be cool, right? Well, that is possible. For this, we have the International ¿cómo se lee eso?
Phonetic.
Phonetic Alphabet, IPA.
Mhm.
Currently, the IPA has 107 sounds,
Yes.
symbols, 552 accent, and 4 intonations
Intonations.
that create every poem in every language on the earth. So if you follow those sounds correctly, congratulations, you can speak Chinese now.
You can speak Chinese now. Okay, so for example, this is what we're gonna do. If we think about the IPA, right? The International Phonetic, there you go, alphabet. I was gonna say, there you go. International Phonetic Alphabet. How many sounds the International Phonetic Alphabet has? How many sounds? It has 107 sounds in this case, right? 107. Okay. From this 107, 44 are for English. Okay. Maybe for, I don't know, maybe for Spanish, we got 58. I don't know. Okay. I'm inventing, to be honest. But this is what is important, all right? From this international iPad. Now, if you go to Google, or if you go to a dictionary, iPad chart. Look at this one. These ones are the 44 sounds. All right. If you analyze, we have the vowels in this part, and then we have the consonants on the bottom, okay? So this is what we are going to study, pronunciation, okay? So coming back over here, this is what we're gonna do, guys. For example, when we talk about the IPA, right? The IPA, we are going to divide it in two different categories. In this case, we're gonna have that grapheme. That grapheme, in this case, is the symbol, the letter, you know? The letter. For example, this one right here, the symbol of the B, it's the grapheme. All right? The symbol, what you see, that will be the grapheme. But what you hear, right? What you listen, it's the phoneme. What you listen, for example, the phoneme for this letter, the phoneme for B will be B, 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 B. You see? That will be the phoneme, el fonema. ¿Cómo suena? ¿Cómo suena qué? El grapheme, el símbolo. Okie dokie? All right. So, now, here we have grapheme and then phoneme. The letter, the sound. Okay? No questions right now? No? Okay. All right. So that's what we have, right? But in this part over here, look, we have voiced. So thinking about, for example, the alphabet. Right? We will have voiced letters, and we're going to have unvoiced letters. What is that? For example, voice. Let's go for one example. Go like R. Say R. Open your microphones, please. R. 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 Right? Now you're going to get your hand, you know, your hand like this, and you are going to put it over here in your throat. Okay? Do it like that. And go R, 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 R. ¿Vibra o no vibra? R, R, R. ¿Vibra o no vibra?
Perdón por no estar en la clase, es que se me fue el internet.
Estamos trabajando con la pronunciación, Evelyn. Okay, follow me. Yes, you got it. R, ¿vibra o no? The R. The letter R. ¿Vibra o no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, if there is vibration for the sound of the letter, okay, it's going to be a voice letter. Okay? So, for example, if you go over here, no se me pierdan, ¿eh? Es un tema confuso, pero no se me pierdan. This letter, B, go like, B, 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 vibrates or no? Yes or no? Están haciendo los ejercicios. Angie, Abril, no las veo.
Yes, yo no la puedo prender.
Pero están haciendo los ejercicios, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
So, vibrates or no? The B. Guys.
Yes.
Yes. It vibrates. Entonces aquí donde dice voice, we're going to put yes. Now, go with this letter. Put your fingers in your hand, put it over here and go. S. Vibration or no vibration?
No.
Yes.
Probation.
No.
No vibration, right? So the S is a unvoiced letter. We understand the concept, voiced and no voiced? Perfect. Okay. So let's go with, this is number 1, okay? You can copy it. We have bog, bobble, bubble, baby, okay? Rabbit, all right? Boy, boy. Okie dokie. That is the sound. Let's go with the next one. Number 2, the grapheme, right? Esto de aquí es cómo la vas a ver tú en la palabra. Tú la vas a ver así en la palabra. ¿Ok? Una D va a sonar como D, 2 Ds va a sonar como D y una ED va a sonar como D. ¿Ok? So, estamos trabajando dos cosas diferentes. ¿Cómo se escribe? Es el grapheme. ¿Cómo se escribe? And this one right here will be the pronunciation, okay? Look at this one. This is very easy. Dad, dad, add. Y miren aquí. Love it. No. Because ed, it's equal D. Because ed, in pronunciation, it's equal D. So, love it is incorrect. What is the correct pronunciation?
Love.
Loved. You see? Loved. Okay. Let's go with number 3. Number 3. Look at this. Todas estas combinaciones van a sonar como F. All right? F, double F, PH, H, GH, LF. Okay? Now, oh, wait a minute. Wait a second. Letter D, is voice or unvoiced?
Boys.
Boys, it is boys. Yes. And let's go back to number 3. Look at the sound.
No.
No, no vibration. Very good. Okay. So, look at this. The first one F, fat, right? F. 2 Fs, only 1 F. Cliff. You see? PH is like an F. What is this? Pon or
Phone.
phone. Entonces suena como F, ¿ok? Phone. PH, F. And then GH, look at this one. Enough. You got it? GH. And then we have LF. LF suena como F. Sería, what is the pronunciation for this?
Half.
Sin la L, porque la L y la F suenan como F.
Half.
Half.
Half. O sea, cuando dicen, por ejemplo, half an hour, media hora, you don't say half, you say half. Okie dokie. Half an hour. And then look at this one. F and T sound like F. Like, what is the pronunciation of this?
Often.
Often, very good. Often. And then when we can say, how often do you remember that?
Yes.
Very good. All right, that was number 3. Let's go with number 4. And the pronunciation is what is it? It's a yes, of course, vibration in there. Okay, so look, 1G, 2Gs, GH, GU, GUE, todas esas combinaciones suenan como G, right? G, G, G. Okay, for example, 1G, what is the pronunciation?
Dog.
Dog, dog. Listen, dog, dog, dog. ¿Escuchan la al final? All right. Tenemos que exagerarla, por ejemplo, en egg, egg, egg. All right. Double G, egg. GH, very easy. Ghost, ghost. And then GU, very easy too. Guitar, guitar. All right. And esta está muy interesante, miren. Termina con GUE. So it's gonna be dialogue, dialogue, dialogue. You see? ¿Quién me está siguiendo? ¿Todos bien? ¿Bien, bien, bien?
Yes, teacher.
Es
Yes.
que no veo a muchos. All right. You're good, Angie.
Yes, teacher.
Excellent. Dialogue. Perdón si los enfado, pero así es la clase. I'm sorry. Really sorry. Number 5. Okay. We're going to have, look, if you see an H, well, in this case, it's like mute. right? Like in this case is hop. Hop, it sounds like G, right? The H sounds like G, okay? So look at the sound. Hope. I'm sorry. Miren cómo suena. Who? Who? Who is your... Si me ven ahí la pronunciación, es muy leve, right? Entonces, a ver, hagámoslo, si suena o no. ¿Suena o no?
No.
No suena. No vibra. So it's a no. Okie dokie. Hop. Who? 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 Okie doke. Ready for 6?
Yes.
Excellent. Number 6 is very similar, but in this case is, look at this, it's very similar actually, but in this case is yam. 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 ¿Suena o no? Is it voiced or not? Jam. Look at this one. This one is not wage. No es wage, it's wage. 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 Yeah? Wage. Okay. So this one, sorry. It sounds like G, right? And then at the beginning, very easy. Giraffe. 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 This one is with giraffe. D, look at this one. Esas letras van a sonar como una J. Impresionante. For example, edge, 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 edge. You see? En realidad este de aquí sería como edge, edge. You see? Okay. Look at this one. D and I is going to sound like G, like in here. Soldier, 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 no soldier, right? It sounds like a G. Soldier, soldier, soldier. This one is a little difficult. D right here, okay? And double G, no problem. Exaggerate, exaggerate. No es no, no sonaría. Exaggerate, it's easy. Exaggerate. So, boys or not boys?
Yes.
Yes, it is boys. Number 7. Okay. The letter is going to be the letter K, all right? But the sound, listen to the sound. Put your hands in here and go like, k, 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 k. Look. No estoy loco, señor psiquiatra. I'm a teacher. So guys, listen. ¿Vibra o no vibra?
Yes.
I don't know.
No,
Just for you, just for you, Jesús.
Pues creo, ¿no?
¿Crees que sí? Bueno, si dices si dices sí suena. Pero es más como, por ejemplo, vamos a poner este aquí, mira. Kick, 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 kick. One second, Jesús. It's a no. No vibration. So in this case, look, 1K, 1C, 1CH, for example. 1K is very easy. Kit. Kit. Right? That's easy. C sounds like cat, cat, cat. Right? Is that sound. CH is Chris or Chris?
Chris?
Chris, like Christian, right? Double C, very easy because it's accent, 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 right? Y miren este qué interesante, esta es una de las más importantes para que la noten ahí. La LK suena como K. Example. Walk, no va a ser walk, va a ser
Walk?
walk, porque LK suenan como only K. So it will have to be walk, 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 no walk. Okay, okay? Walk. We got that one. And then this one is easy because it's very similar. Bouquet, bouquet, bouquet. The letter Q and the U, very easy. Queen, queen, yes. And then CK is like K, for example. Rack, rack, yes. On pronunciation. Questions? Si dices K, sí, K. Porque ahí en realidad el sonido es la A. All right, sorry. Let's go with the letter L. Letter L, right? Only two options, very easy. One L, double L. Let's go with the sound. Live, leave. Well, what is it, Camila? Well, is it a no or a yes? It's a yes. Yes. Easy, okay? Live well. No complications. Let's go with number 9. Let's go with the letter M. The sound is men. Men. Summer. Mare. Pump. All right. ¿Suena o no? Men.
Yes.
Yes, Angie. It's a yes. Okay. So look at this one. 1M, very easy, men. 2 M's, very easy, summer. This is the problem. MB equals M only. Este cepillo, ¿cómo dirían? Come, o comb? ¿Com o comb? ¿Cuál es la correcta?
Com.
Comb, because the M-E is only M. So it has to be comb, cepillo o peine, whatever. Now, MB, right? MN suenan como M, no N. What is that pronunciation? Column o column? Column, 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 column. Very good. And look at this one. Esta es muy buena también. LM equals M. Do you say palm? Esa es muy complicada con la L. Right? Palm, impossible. Right? So, it has to be palm. O sea, una palma, no van a decir palm. Van a decir palm, palm. A big palm. A big palm at the beach. Yes? Okay. One more. This one is the letter N and the sound is net, funny, no. ¿Me siguen? Okay. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. It's a yes, vibration. So 1N, very easy, net. 2 N's, very easy, funny. Okay, here we have one. NK equals N. For example, this one,
No.
no, right? It's like eliminating the K, right? We don't say no, no, all right. Oh, for example, este que es caballero, night, right? The NK, the KN is equal N, so it's night only. And this one, and GN sounds like N, sign. Sorry, GN. This one, it's like N. So it has to be sign, firmar, sign, no sign, you know, sign, only the N. All right. 44, one more, and we finish. 11, letter P. Look at the sound.
No.
Pin. No.
No.
Up. Apple. No, it's a no. No vibration. So very simple because one P is only pin and double P is only apple. Okie doke. All right. One more. We have time for one more. I'm sorry. Oh, this one is easy. Letter R. Look at this one. Run. Run.
Yes.
Carrot. Exactly, Kevin. Yes. So it's a yes. One R is very easy. Run. 2 R's, very easy, carrot, right? And we have one example here. WR, it's equal R. For example, right, or wrote, or incorrecto, wrong, okay? Yeah, okay. WR, it's only R, and RH, this is easy for Spanish. R, rhetorical, no complications either. Okay, tomorrow is Thursday, right?
Yes.
Tomorrow, okay, tomorrow we are going to finish with this. Okay. Ah, me cansé, se cansaron. Odio esta clase, en verdad, me canso mucho. You know? All right, guys, see you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, guys.